Good morning. I have a Whirlpool refrigerator. I want to change the water filter in it. I have a side-by-side with the water in the door, water and ice in the door. The refrigerator itself is only about 6 months old, and that's usually about what the filter, I believe the life of the filters are. It's very simple. One reason why I kept looking to see if you had to shut the water off, and the owner's manual or anything I found online never did say. So I mean, maybe it's pretty simple, but no, you don't have to shut the water off. You just pull this lever down, pull this out. The filter itself just drops down. This is the original filter in it. So of course you got to get a little bit of water leaking out and everything. That's why I put the towel there. This is the original filter that came with the refrigerator, if you can see. I have a new one here that I bought online. These seem to be doing pretty good. And it's just as simple as that. You just take the old one out, stick the new one up there, twist it on. That's all there is to it. There again, you don't have to turn the water off. You're going to get a little bit of water down below. I'll just put a towel down there, just soak it up. And that's all there is to it. I'll show you how to reset the light, the filter. Order a filter light on the front of the refrigerator. Okay, here we have the change filter light on the refrigerator. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Sorry about the video. Looks like my camera's moving in and out. And yes, a rookie mistake. I'm recording after the fact here. Somebody forgot to turn on the microphone. So anyway, there's the light. Hopefully you can focus that in. You just push that button for 3 seconds. It actually counts down for you. And that's all there is to it. Easy peasy. Hope this helps. Thanks.